Few things can be as worrisome for a man as the problems related to his genitals and his sexual performance. There are many things that can affect the self-esteem of an individual, but in this case, we are talking about something different. This is a disease that affects many men around the world. Many men mention they have slightly curved penis, but this is completely normal. The problem is when this curvature becomes painful and as a result makes penetration difficult. When this happens, the problem is diagnosed as Peyronie's disease, and there are many things that must be taken into account to know how to deal with it. This disease occurs when fibrous plaques appear on the penis. These are located in the tunica albuginea and directly affect the functioning of the penis. The disease becomes more common in men over 40 years, but there are also cases of people who suffer from this disease to be much younger. Many men have their penis curved to different degrees and angles, but there are several things that define whether the curvature is normal or if it is Peyronie's disease. That is why you have to define the differences and in this way to have an idea of what happens. With that said, it is always better to consult with a doctor that allows us to know with certainty what happens with your penis. Pain in the penis when having erections. Advanced curvature. Curvature that is increased with time. Pain in the penis in the area where the curve appears. Painful feelings in the penis often appear before visible curvature of the penis. In most cases, Peyronie's disease patients have penises without curvature when they start mentioning painful erections. This is a very common indication that you are dealing with Peyronie's disease. Unfortunately, the causes of Peyronie's disease are not completely understood, and this has made penile curvature treatment not very easy and efficient without medical intervention. The internet search for Peyronie's disease treatment is very common since more people than you imagine suffer from it. As with any problem related to the genitals, it is very common for men in general to feel uncomfortable with the idea of going to a doctor. Likewise, many men avoid sexual contact with partners because they feel insecure about the shape of their penis. All this can be avoided by visiting a doctor and getting the best possible deals. Although many exercises that are created to stop this condition are not effective, there are penis extenders or penile straightening devices that seems to have positive results for many people who suffer from this condition. It is a question that many men ask, but trying to straighten the penis with internet guides and exercises or miraculous products is never the solution. This can lead to other problems and can make things worse. This is why you must look for a solution that really fixes this problem, and medical help is the best answer to deal with.
Vitamins. There are studies that have shown that several combinations of foods that are high in vitamin E have been of great benefit to remove the plaque that forms in the body of the penis. While they have not managed to straighten the penis completely, there have been a lot of cases where the curvature of the penis looks less pronounced. Injections. The use of injections in the penis to cure Peyronie's disease has been somewhat controversial, since it is reported that in many cases they do not seem to help at all. In contrast, there are several people who have managed to see that the disease is almost completely cured. The use of collagenase for this type of treatment is the most common approach. Exercises. Many people seek help on the internet and find natural methods to help eliminate the curvature of the penis. In many cases, exercises for penis straightening produce no results, but this is a situation similar to that of injections. Just as many men report that they do not see improvements, others report that they have managed to correct their curvature and improve their condition. Surgery. While this is the decision that most men fear most, this is an operation that has been really successful for the vast majority of patients. The surgery treatment consists of cutting the affected part of the cavernous body of the penis, and many patients manage to obtain really positive results. Penile extenders. Many people who seek how to straighten the penis do not want to think about the idea of a surgery but are looking for an alternative that is easily accessible and have no side effects. Penis extenders seem to be an option that many consider effective. When using the extender, the curvature of the penis is corrected according to many users of this device. The penis extender has become the most popular because it also supposedly helps enlarging the length and the width of the penis while straightening the penis and eliminating Peyronie's disease.
If someone is dealing with a problem like Peyronie's disease, it is important to take into account that there is always a way to handle the situation. The most important thing is to be able to evaluate all the options. It is crucial to understand that there are always options to treat Peyronie's disease naturally without side effects and further complications. The most important thing when someone is dealing with Peyronie's disease is to go to a doctor to assess the situation. Doctors often recommend penile straightening devices as the best method to treat Peyronie's disease. These penile extenders have all required medical approvals and endorsements and are clinically proven to help patients.